Here I've got Motorola Moto G5S, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first, just open list of all apps and enter the settings. Click on developer options. If you can't find developer mode under your system settings, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock them. And here, once you are in developer mode, just scroll down, pick demo mode, and you can smoothly enable it by tapping on the switcher. Then you can show it by tapping on show demo mode, and now it is visible. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can activate it. Obviously it can be switched off the same way. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.